Have you ever wondered what true loyalty looks like? It's not just a word, it's a choice, a journey, and sometimes, it's a story that changes everything. Today, let us travel back in time to the land of Moab and meet a remarkable young woman named Ruth. Ruth's story begins with loss. She was married to a man from Bethlehem, but her happiness was cut short when her husband died. Soon after, her father-in-law passed away too, leaving Ruth, her sister-in-law Orpah, and their mother-in-law Naomi in a world filled with sorrow. Naomi, her heart heavy with grief, decided to return to her homeland, Bethlehem. She turned to her daughters-in-law and said, "You are still young. Go back to your families, find new husbands, and start your lives again." Orpah, with tears in her eyes, kissed Naomi goodbye and returned to her people. But Ruth did something extraordinary. She clung to Naomi, her hands holding tight, refusing to let go. With tears streaming down her face, she spoke words that would echo through history. "Please don't ask me to leave you. Where you go, I will go. Where you stay, I will stay. Your people will be my people, and your God will be my God." Think about that for a moment. Ruth chose to leave everything she had ever known, her country, her culture, her friends, her entire support system, all for the sake of loyalty to her grieving mother-in-law. She chose to walk into a completely unknown future, with no guarantee of safety or provision, simply because her love for Naomi was that strong. The journey to Bethlehem was long and arduous. The roads were dusty, the sun was hot, and their resources were scarce. Ruth must have felt tired, scared, and maybe even a little doubtful at times. But she never complained. Instead, she became Naomi's source of strength. She shared what little food they had, offered words of encouragement, and whispered prayers of hope into the quiet nights. Her faithfulness was a constant, steady light in their shared darkness. When they finally arrived in Bethlehem, they were two widows with nothing to their name. The townspeople were curious about the foreign woman who had come with Naomi. To survive, Ruth had to find work immediately. Without hesitation, she went to the fields to glean, to gather the leftover grain that harvesters left behind. This was humble, back-breaking work, reserved for the poorest of the poor. From sunrise to sunset, Ruth worked tirelessly under the hot sun. She wasn't just working for herself. She was providing for Naomi. Her dedication and humility didn't go unnoticed. The owner of the field, a respected and kind man named Boaz, saw her. He had heard about her incredible loyalty, how she had left her own land to care for her mother-in-law. Boaz was deeply moved. He approached Ruth and said, "May the Lord reward you for what you have done. You have shown great love." He instructed his workers to protect her and to leave extra grain for her to gather. Boaz's kindness was a direct response to Ruth's faithful character. Her loyalty had opened a door to grace and provision. But the story doesn't end there. God had an even bigger plan. In time, Boaz, captivated by Ruth's virtue and spirit, married her. This marriage didn't just give Ruth a new home and a loving husband. It wove her into the very fabric of history. Ruth, the woman from Moab who chose loyalty in her darkest hour, became the great-grandmother of King David, one of Israel's greatest kings. And through David's lineage, she became an ancestor of Jesus Christ himself. Ruth's journey started with profound loss and led to an unimaginable blessing. It took her from a place of sorrow and uncertainty to a future filled with hope and purpose. Her story teaches us a powerful lesson. Loyalty is love that stays. It's a commitment we make even when it's hard, even when we can't see the outcome. When we choose faithfulness, when we choose to stand by others in their time of need, God can use that choice to write a beautiful, unexpected, and incredible future for us. What do you think about Ruth's story? Let me know in the comments below. Her journey is a timeless reminder that our choices, especially those made out of love and loyalty, have the power to change our world. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content that inspires. See you next time.